You wake up thousands of years ago. No phone, no fridge, no breakfast waiting, just you, the wild and gnawing hunger. What do? You hunt. But first, you need a weapon. So, how did people in history actually make those tools for survival? Let's take a wild ride back in time and find out. First stop, the Stone Age. Imagine crouching by a riverbank, scanning for the perfect rock. You're not looking for just any old stone. You want one that's tough but chips into a sharp edge. This is flint knapping. You grab another rock and start striking at an angle. Chips fly. After a while, you've got yourself a razor-sharp blade. Animal sinew plant fibers. Tie it to a sturdy stick with animal sinew or plant fibers, and boom, your first spear. Simple, but deadly effective. Fast forward to ancient Egypt. Metals are the new hot thing. You dig up copper, heat it in a clay furnace until it's molten, and pour it into a sand mold. Once it cools, you've got a shiny new blade. Sharpen it, attach it to a wooden shaft, and you're ready to hunt bigger game. Metal meant sharper, stronger, and more reliable weapons. Now let's jump to the icy north, where the Inuit live. Trees are rare, so what do? You get creative. Bones from seals and bones from whales become harpoons. You carve them with stone tools, lash them with animal sinew, and sometimes even add a barbed tip. Ingenious and resourceful, nothing goes to waste. And then the bow and arrow. Cultures all over the world figured this one out. Flexible wood, animal gut for the string, and feathers for stability. Suddenly, you can hunt from a distance, quietly and with deadly precision. Making a bow takes patience, shaping the wood, testing the tension, fletching the arrows just right. But once you master it, you're a force to be reckoned with. What's really wild is that every weapon tells a story. It's not just about survival, it's about adapting, experimenting, and passing down knowledge. So next time you see an old arrowhead or a weathered spear in a museum, remember,